everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to delete Expedia account. Now to do that, open the application first. Now once you're at the home page, you need to go to the accounts on the bottom right, tap that. There you need to log in into the account first, so tap and sign in with Expedia. If you have the other options, you can sign in into the account with the Google or Facebook as well. So I'm gonna go with the email one, type in the email address. Then tap on continue. You can log in with two processes, that is you get the code on your Gmail or you can log in with the password. I'm gonna go with the password option. Type in the password, then tap on sign in. Now that you are logged in, once you're at the profile, you scroll down to the very bottom and you will have the option to delete account. You just tap that. Now you need to provide a reason for why you choose to delete your account. Here are the some options available for you to choose from. I'm just gonna go and tap on the random option and then I'm gonna tap on submit. You can skip this as well. We're sorry to see you go. Here are some details you should know. There are the details or the information that you need to know before you delete your account. Now then, you need to tap on permanently delete account. Tap that. Tap on got it. And with that, you have been logged out. You can see you are no longer logged in into the account of yours. So this is a way how you can delete Expedia account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.